Welcome to our little vlog.
Vloggy.
So we are currently pulling into the pumpkin patch, and it was the last day it's open, so we're kind of squeezing it in to our fall festivities, but we're here and we're doing it. And then later today we're gonna do a little craft with crew, a little Halloween craft. We're gonna make some dirt cake, and then tomorrow we're also going to vlog crew going trick-or-treating and getting in his Halloween outfit, which for Halloween, should we tell him or should they have to wait, see what he's getting for Halloween?
You have to wait.
Okay, but we're gonna unload the car and go check out the pumpkin patch.
Here, look. She's looking at you. Say hi.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Watch your head. Watch your...
On a hay rack ride. Josh, I don't think we've ever done one together.
I don't think so either. Oh, look who it is, crew.
That's you! Can you say hi?
Oh,
that's so nice.
Can you blow him a kiss?
Oh, that's so fun.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, where's Mama's kiss? Where's Mama's kiss?
Oh, so nice.
You're so sweet.
What do you... I want to be intentional with them so that they don't feel like I'm giving them... I'll call you tonight. We'll talk more. Well, I want to talk tonight, so I'll call you tonight. Love to, bye.
Ooh, don't touch that.
This is so...
Okay, we threw together our dirt cake. We got chocolate pudding, crushed Oreos, and then just some cream cheese and whipped cream. And sour gummy worms.
Very. So, here's an apple.
We're doing Crew's craft.
Here you go. Yes.
You see the camera?
Put it on your plate. Here, put it on there. Yes, good job. That'll help you. Here, let's do it together. Push it down. Push it down. Yes. Good job.
So this is our craft that we have. We had Halloween plates, and I cut a circle out of the middle,
Push it down.
and I cut a hole at the top and put ribbon in there, and it's supposed to be like a little wreath. And then Crew put stickers on it, and on the back I wrote who it was to, the year, how old he is. Yeah, and what he is being for Halloween, and then from Crew.
Good job. Oh, no, you put it on here.
He's kind of preoccupied with the camera. It's okay. You do your craft.
Look. Pie. Yeah, good job. Keeps getting stuck to your fingers, huh? All right, one more. Here. Where do you want it to go? You show me. Point to it. Or just here. Take it.
Mama. Oh.
Oh.
Mom. Done? Is that one all done?
Okay.
Now I'll show them. So this is what the finished product looks like. With all the little stickers on it. So, I think it's pretty cute. Okay, Crew, let's see your outfit. Look how cute you are. Look at you. Crew is a sexy construction worker. see? Oh, you want to see? You can't touch, but you can look. See? Okay. With your cute little hat.
Stupid hat. Say stupid.
You want Daddy's hat?
Here.
Okay, say trick or treat to Gigi.
Oh, gonna say trick or treat?
Say trick
Say
or treat.
You want a piece of treat?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta say trick or treat.
Good job. Close enough.
Oh, wow, wow, wow.
Should we open it? You want a bite?
Take a bite, crew. It's yummy.
You hold it.
It's really good.
I
Oh,
wouldn't
no,
let
no.
him hold it. I think this is funny.
Can Gigi have a bite? You hold it. There you go. Okay. Good job.
Crew.
Did you chew it all gone?
Do we have something to trick